This is it for the file upload. Adding file upload has two sides. For one, we need to add it on the backend. Here we use the multer package and the middleware it offers to us, configured for our needs. So we're configuring the place where it's stored, how the file name is named, and which files we accept. We do this with the help of the MIME type map. Then in the controllers, we simply extract the path, which multer gives us automatically, and store that in a database. So not the file is stored, but just the path of the file, just a string. We don't want to store files in a database because that would bloat it, slow it down, and be a really bad practice. Store files on the file system, locally instead. Now, in case something goes wrong, we have app.js, where we roll back our file upload if the request where something went wrong has a file attached to it. So if some other request goes wrong, we don't roll it back, of course. And on the front end, we built this new image upload component, which allows us to pick an image and also show a preview. And we easily integrated this into our existing form hook and the form management we have in place already. And then the trick just was to use form data to submit the data to the backend so that we can have a mixture of text and binary data. And that is it. This is file upload added to a MERN app.